Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Donna here, and welcome to the first Sunday Super Supper. I hope you'll enjoy this little series I'm going to do during the month of November, and every Sunday I will be putting up a new soup recipe and sharing my recipe with you. I have my other glasses on right now. If I look a little different, it's because these are my computer glasses, and I was just on the computer loading another video and I came right out with the same glasses on. So at any rate, I'm going to start today's video, or today's series, with a French onion soup, and I'm going to do it in the crock pot. So I'm going to bring you down to the crock pot and we'll get started on our French onion soup. Be right back. Okay, here we are, and it's not a crock pot, it's an Instant Pot. I don't remember if I said crock pot or Instant Pot. I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of butter. I have my pan on saute, and it is already registering hot. So you can see that the butter is melting nicely. I'm also going to add just a little bit of olive oil. And get this butter all melted nicely. Okay, now I'm going to add the onions, and I used a cheater method. I used my food processor, and I have about 5 onions here. I have some regular yellow, a couple of Vidalia, and a half of a purple onion. I only used half of the purple onion because when I picked up my groceries this morning at Walmart, they had given me an onion that was the size of a small pumpkin. So I really didn't need to have that much purple onion. Now, here's where you hurry up and wait. First of all, I'm just stirring this around to get all of these onions broken up and coated in the butter and oil. Now we have to caramelize the onions, and there's really not a whole lot you can do to speed up that process. You're just going to have to keep going. It's going to take a good 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to add, didn't get it out, let me get it out. I'm going to add just a little teaspoon of brown sugar, and that's going to kind of, not going to make it sweet, obviously it's not that much, but what it does do is help the caramelization process. So I'm just going to keep working at these until they're all, it looks like so many when you put them in, it'll look like almost nothing by the time they get caramelized. So I'm not going to make you sit and watch me stir onions for the next 10 minutes. I'll be back when we're ready for the next step. Back in a few. Okay, here we are back, and you can see that we have not much left in the way of big onions. They're just kind of all softened up, and that's what we want. So now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. I'm going to add between 4 and 6 cups of beef broth, and I use that Better Than bouillon. Get it all in there. It's a teaspoon of the Better Than Bouillon for every cup of water. I have about 4 cups there. I'm going to add a little more. About another cup of that. So let me get a little more of the bouillon. I'm also going to add about 3/4 of a cup maybe of a nice red wine. See if that is looking like enough broth. We like lots of onions. So I have probably got about almost 6 cups of broth. So what I'm going to do now is, the pot just went off because it had been on that simmer for so long. I'm going to add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add a little garlic powder. About 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. And 1 bay leaf. Let me just get that all stirred around. I'm going to put the top on. Put it on sealing. And I'll do manual, and I'm coming down to 10 minutes. So that's it. We'll be back when it's done. Okay. Here we go. Top is off. Soup is boiling. I'm going to take out the bay leaf. Whoop. And I have these nice crocks. And the object is to get lots of onions in your soup. And fill it almost to the toppity top. Here you go. Look at that. Now, I'm going to put it on this here. Now what I'm going to use, I don't normally do this, but I heard this was a better idea. I'm going to put croutons all over the top of this. Make sure it's well covered with the croutons. And I guess the idea is that it's easier to eat. Because it's not one whole piece of oh, that looks delicious. One more coming. Oh, a little more. Here you go. I have them on a pan. My broiler has been preheated. I'm putting some provolone, a couple of slices. And I'm sneaking some Swiss on the top because I love the Swiss. These papers are wonderful, but sometimes more work than they're worth. There you go. Look at that. Okay, they're going in the oven. And we'll see what happens when they're ready. Be right back. Okay, boys and girls, this is an onion soup baked. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Break it open. Whew. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can taste it or not. It's so hot. Can you stand it? Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Baked onion soup in the Instant Pot. Delicious. Stay tuned. I think there's an extra movie coming. It's called Dessert. Get back in a bit. Bye-bye. Everybody play nice now. Next week, I think we're going to do ham and bean soup. Ham and navy bean soup. But right now, I'm going to sit down and enjoy this French onion soup. Delicious. See you later. Everybody play nice now. Bye-bye.